Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to draw your eyebrows and put your concealer and foundation. So guys, we'll be using a brush. Comb your eyebrows using a brush or a spoolie, yes, so that you can have a great place to draw your eyebrows. I'm using a black pencil Davis number 1. So draw your eyebrows. It depends on the shape of your brows, yeah. Mine faces upwards, so I use a V-like shaping. So fill in your brows with a pencil slowly. Make sure that you draw thin lines and you don't long press your brows, yeah? Don't long press it, just draw them smoothly, fill in with your pencil, fill in with your eyebrow pencil. This is a black one, slowly and slowly. Make sure there's no gap, make sure there's no whitish or blackish thing, so that is filled in correctly. Yeah, as you can see, I'm filling, and whatever I'll be doing to the left side, to the right side of my brow, I'll also do it on the left side. So fill it in smoothly. Don't press your eyebrows, just fill it smoothly. Hold your pencil in that position so that you can be able to draw it. So you can see whatever I've done on the left is what I've done with the right. Use your brush, a flat one, by using a concealer. Yes, draw it smoothly. The reason for using a sharp pencil is that it can enable you to use your concealer to make your eyebrows perfect. Yeah, as you can see, gentle. Just apply your concealer gently, fill in the remaining part, fill in slowly downwards to your eyes, downwards slowly. Do the left as you've done to the right. Yes, then make sure your blender is wet. Remove excess water by pressing it on your hand or using your towel. Then tap in slowly. Tap, 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 tap. As you can see, I'm tapping in slowly to the right side and the left side in that motion. Tap, 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 tap it slowly, slowly, so that you can blend all the concealer here. Tap in. Use your foundation. It depends with your shade. Use a lighter shade compared or a darker shade compared to your skin tone. Yeah? I'm using myself a darker shade compared to my skin tone. Then using a brush, draw it slowly on the upper part. Fill in by placing your brush in a vertical, in a horizontal position. Do it slowly. Correct your brows. Make sure they are aligned in your taste. Yeah. Slowly downwards. Yeah. As you can see. Then repeat it if there's some corrections you can make. Maybe you made a mistake in drawing your eyebrows. A foundation helps you to correct it, and a concealer too. Yeah. So slowly. So guys, tell me what you think. Maybe you can do a lot more. I was just showing you how to draw your eyebrows and how to fill in your concealer and foundation. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and
Tutorial, you
subscribe.
can hit
I'll
me
be
in the
thankful.
comment section.
Thanks
And I
for
might do one.
watching.
Thanks.
Bye bye, guys. I love you.